Oh, that one was so good. We're back for bonus race. We got 3 cone sections now. We're flushed with cones. So yeah. It's gonna be a wild one. With 3 cone sections, we're gonna be very bunched up. Wow. I'm coming in. Garrett, what's going on? Going a little slow there, bud. Wow! Maybe I'm just going fast. I don't know. Could be one or the other. Who knows? Maybe my kart's fast. I don't know. I feel like I am having to let up in the straightaway there, so maybe it's me. Maybe I got the good kart for the bonus race, huh? Maybe that's what's happening. Yeah, I feel like this one's pretty good. I mean, you never know with the rental karts. Who knows? It could be, you know, they go through a lot of punishment. So shout outs to the mechanics who work on these things, because I mean, I cannot imagine how hard it is to have to fix these things all the time from all the crazy stuff that happens. I just imagine they're like constantly broken and they just have to be fixed. So shout outs to the people fixing these things. Rental kart mechanics, wherever you are. Oh, I did that really bad. I lost a lot of traction. Ah, Kevin! We are definitely bunched up. That is for sure. Yeah, this kart is nice. Whoever fixed this one did a great job. Yep. Get in there, bud. Man, I keep taking this one. I don't want to keep taking this one. Need to find a way to break out of this spot. I am in the same spot. The same thing is gonna happen. Ah! Oh! Oh! Good job, guys. Good job. Good bump. That was a well-timed bump from whoever that was back there. Yes! Oh, good exit, good exit, good exit. Get in there, bud. It's my space. They're not even looking for that flag. There's not even a thought in their mind about waving this flag. I could sandbag, but I'm not gonna. It's a dang leader outside the cones bonus race. I'm not sandbagging. Ooh, I did that really well. Stayed on his bumper the whole turn. That's what you want to see. Man, I keep getting in this third spot. Yep, get in there, bud. You got this. You got it. Get me out of that spot. I don't even care if the race ends right now. I just don't want to be in that third spot every time. Fine, I'll take it. This is actually a great... I actually like being in that spot. That's the best cone section to take, to be honest. Because if you do it good enough, you can come out in second. Or come out, yeah, in second, ready for the next cones. Like right now, we're getting rewarded. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Good race, good race.